We already installed XAMPP on our computer. If you want to know how to install a XAMPP, then you can click on the link below in the description. Now let's see how to install WordPress on XAMPP. Now search on Google wordpress.org. Now click on Get WordPress. Click on Download and Install. Click on Download WordPress 5.7. I want to download it on Drive D. Click on Start Download. WordPress 5.7 zip folder will installing on our computer. It will take some time. Now you can see that on Drive D there is a folder WordPress 5.7 zip. We can copy it from here, and we also install XAMPP on our D. Open it, click on htdoc folder, and here you make a new folder like demo site. Click on it and paste this zip folder, WordPress zip folder here. Extract here this file. Now click on zip, delete. Open WordPress. Now select all these files, cut, go back and paste it here. Now you can see that WordPress folder is empty. Then click on it and delete it. Now go back. In demo site we paste all our WordPress folders, that is WP admin, WP content, WP includes, and all these files. Now go back and open XAMPP that we already installed on our system. Click on it. It will take some time. Start MySQL, start. Apache is already working. Now click on admin. It will open the PHP MyAdmin page, that is your database. Now click on database. Now we make a folder demo site. Click on create. It will create a database for our site, demo site. Now close it. We just do only to create database, and we connect this database to our site. Close it. Localhost host / localhost / demo site, the name of our folder, and click on it. It will take us to the WP admin. Now click on English. We select the language, that is English. Click on it, continue. Now you can see that welcome to WordPress. before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding: database name, database username, database password, and database host. Let's go. Click on it. Name of our database is, our database name is exactly what we create in phpMyAdmin, that is demosite. This name and the folder we created in database must be the same name, and username is root. On localhost, we must place the username, that is root. Set no password. Database host is localhost and table prefix is WP. So click on submit. Run the installation. Then site title. Our site title is demo site. Username is admin, simple admin, and our password is just 123. It's a weak password, but we are working on localhost, so click on it. Now WordPress has been installed, and click on login, that is admin, and the password is one two three. Login. Now this is the WordPress interface. You can see that we installed WordPress on our local host. Click on this is our site. It is the default setting of WordPress. That's it.